All right, welcome to this video, and I wanted to do one on a topic that continues to be a high volume search term, which is how to make money with ChatGPT online. Now, if you go into YouTube and you actually scroll through and search something like that, how to make money with ChatGPT, you see all these videos with these insanely bombastic titles about how much you're going to make $150 a day, making $1,000 a day. $1,000 per day, that's just ridiculous. I made $21,000. Let me just tell you, most of this stuff is absolute nonsense, and I really hope that you skim past most of these things. Everybody's got some little hustle that they're talking about, and while it sounds good when you watch the video, they're being misleading because most of these things are not going to generate that much money. Some of these people already have, if they are making some cash from doing these kind of tactics, it's because they already have a following or they already have a niche. They have a lot of traffic going to a website, and when they throw something up, they actually make money on it. But I believe that most of them are being pretty dishonest. This girl down here, if I can find her video, you should watch it. It's pretty entertaining. Wholesale Ted, she kind of pokes fun at one of these methods for writing content articles and throwing them up, I think, on like medium.com and Quora, and they got taken down. One of her accounts got banned. So these methods don't work. But what I am going to do is to show you how you can use ChatGPT to actually make money online using methods that work. Now, the thing to understand about using something like ChatGPT is this is simply a tool. ChatGPT is a tool that can help you get from point A to point B, but you actually have to know what point A and point B is. So most money is made by being able to provide actual value to people. So when you create something valuable, which helps somebody save time, helps them save money, helps them advance whatever it is that they're doing, then you can charge money for this. And you can charge a good amount of money the bigger the problem is that you're solving. So I'm going to show you some of the ways that you can actually do this. So if you don't, by the way, I get asked this constantly. People wonder how I get this onto my ChatGPT homepage here. It is the AIPRM. It is an extension for the Chrome browser, and it will add all of these prompts in here that is community-based so that you can get access to these. But this is a great place to start to learn where money can be made using ChatGPT. We have all of these different topics for prompts. For example, copywriting, development of apps and so forth, generative AI, SEO, etc. These are all different things that people are using ChatGPT for, and you can see how popular they are by sorting by how many views, how many votes they get, and so forth. So when you go through some of these prompts, I mean, right away I'm sorting for copywriting, for example, top views. What's the number one thing that pops up here? Is writing an article to rank number one on Google. Content creation. Writing an article writer H tags, writing YouTube scripts, one-click blog posts, writing a complete book. All of these things people are looking to try to do with ChatGPT. Now, these are things that are in demand. If you go over to SEO, on the SEO side of things, we could see, again, SEO-rich based content. So there is a tremendous amount of demand for this. And the reason why is because individuals like bloggers, content creators are always under a lot of stress to produce a lot of content, in particular to get their websites ranked for a lot more keywords. And I'll show you an example of this. If SEO content is written really well, this is essentially what you can do to a website. Here is one of my websites just kind of putting along, doing its normal thing, and then around February 18th or 19th, started publishing more content because I was able to use ChatGPT and other writing tools like Zimmwriter, for example, to start getting more content on my website. You can see that the total amount of impressions is climbing up. You can see the amount of clicks is climbing up. This is exactly what website creators and bloggers and SEOs want to do with their websites is get more keywords ranking, which is going to mean more money for them. So of course you could generate your own niche blog, and we'll talk about that in a second, but one of the ways of making money is helping other people do this, and that can cause some increases in income right now. So of course, when we're talking about the quality of these things, you do need to learn how to write. You can't just go into some of these marketplaces and then just pump out junk out of ChatGPT. This is a good starting point. And the way that I see it is, ChatGPT eliminates what I call empty screen syndrome. We're just sitting in front of an empty document, not knowing where to start to write content. So this can help you with these frameworks, but it can't just be sold as is, because the content doesn't really fulfill the high quality checkbox, if you know what I mean. So they're good in terms of getting you started, but there's still a little bit more that needs to be done. But it is a good way to look at what is popular. If you look at some of these marketplaces, there are a couple of them. Fiverr is very popular. There's a lot of people trying to hawk services on Fiverr. But of course, you could do the same thing that I did with ChatGPT with the AI PRM. You can go through here and see what is popular and see what kind of different types of areas you could fit in and make money at. You could see right here as I went there, graphics and design, we'll talk about AI art. One of my favorite marketplaces is Legit, and Legit has a lot of good providers on there for services. You're going to start seeing things like this category here that says AI services. Now there are literally service categories for individuals to create AI art, application development, and look at this, ChatGPT services. If we go through here, there's a bunch of them on here, but now we know, as I'm going to get asked 100 times here, what happens with AI-generated content. Google has come out right away and said that they're not going to punish you if your content is AI-generated, if it meets the needs of the searcher and satisfies the search query. So now we've got a lot of people who will write using ChatGPT, and you can look, here they're starting at about $6, $15. That's going to depend on the length of the content. And of course, some of these writers are offering a lot higher quality services elsewhere, so they can customize that content and then get it done even faster. So I am a huge fan of this service in particular to make money, because if you get good at it, there's a lot of opportunities for you in writing. And somebody who has multiple websites like myself doesn't have the time to pump out consistently high quality content. Using AI services is a great way to fit that need. And of course, I can make a video on that in the future. But these marketplaces will show you what is actually popular. One of the other things that can work really well in terms of this is writing, again, ebooks, lead magnets, and so forth, which is still on the writing side of things, but content creators and bloggers and so forth are always hungry for more high-value lead magnets to get people onto email lists and so forth. But also, if you're doing your own thing, creating these things really fast as value-based problem-solving solutions. I did a video on this on how to create an ebook. You can do things like creating tip books and idea books and selling them on Amazon. I think that is a great niche, but it is not something that you're going to rip out overnight and start making $100 a day on. That's ridiculous, because you have to market. Some people strike it rich. They hit a niche that really is low competition and a lot of demand, and a lot of hungry buyers are looking to grab that stuff. So that may happen, but don't expect that automatically. Expect it to take some work. You've got to do your homework to see where there is a need, and use ChatGPT, use tools like DesignRR to create super simple ebooks and post them online, build an email list, or do it as some type of service on something like Legit. Another way that you can use ChatGPT in combination is designing quick websites for people. There are awesome website developers like Durable.com that literally can build a website in about 30 seconds with AI. Now, before I get jumped on about this, these websites are great looking websites for what you can make in 30 seconds. A lot of the content will be pre-written. It's going to need to be upgraded a bit. But how many people do you know who are service providers that cannot afford, because they're startups, for example, to spend thousands of dollars on website design? They would be happy to pay somebody, again, on Legit, Fiverr, or people that you know just through connections to design a website, even using this kind of service, which they don't even want to do, and then have you update that copy using something like ChatGPT to help get good quality content on the website, get it ranking for simple local SEO terms, maybe some blogs, so that they can send their marketing traffic to that website. That is very easy to do, would not take much to learn how to do, and something that you could do as a business or a side hustle. Another idea is looking at softwares, for example, that can actually take content on a website that is already there and make videos out of it. One of the things that is a powerful technique for increasing SEO watch time on, or how much time an individual spends on a page, called dwell time. If you have articles on a website that don't have a lot of images and there's a lot of text, what we want to do is to get people to stay on that page longer. And one of the ways that we can do that is to take that content and then put it on video, and then put that video, which is optimized for keywords and so forth, on that blog post page, so that as people watch it, they're going to stay on the page much longer. This is not a tactic for getting YouTube videos ranked. It could work. A lot of people talk about it with review videos, but the way that we want to utilize this is to increase dwell time on blog post pages. Services like Pictory can do this, where you can just go in, you can drop an article into their interface, and it will automatically, via AI, pull in videos that are based upon keywords that are found in the article, and it will make an article into a video with captions and videos and so forth, and output it. It's very cheap. It's a service that can be offered, again, to a lot of bloggers and so forth to create lots of video-based content. It may attract views on YouTube, and that can all be linked back to the website for further improvements in SEO. Another great thing that you can do. Another thing that also would work really well is, again, a lot of people, if you go back here to these services, AI art, and what I think is important is image generation. All optimized articles would be great to have a video for it, but also have images with alt tags. That's the content or the text that you put in as an alternate if the image can't be shown, that should be SEO optimized. If you go over to softwares like Midjourney, and of course there's a lot of other generators that are easy, and you learn how to do proper prompting, these are the kinds of images that can be created with AI. These are brilliant and beautiful. I'm not an expert on designing images. I'm not great with prompting with this, but you can simply go do some research on YouTube, and you can find all these great prompts and help generate content be in the form of images that can be used on websites. So if I had a travel blog, or if I had some type of blog that was based upon stories or whatever, doesn't matter, Star Wars, if you look at this, for example, these are all sites that crave high amounts of art. And if you can supply 50 images or 100 images that they can use repetitively throughout all of their blogs to improve their dwell time and improve the value of their SEO, then this is something you can charge for. And how great would it be to sit around and just generate all these cool images all day long and sell them for companies and business owners and bloggers that don't have the time to sit here and what they would probably consider fiddling with this to try to get the output that they want. So there's a lot of different things that I've shown you here, and one of the areas where there's just the biggest amount of money to be made is helping content creators, either if you are a content creator or someone else is, and leveraging the power of these kinds of marketplaces to help people get what they need. So that is my recommendation. You can also, of course, start your own niche. I've made several videos on this to do keyword research and so forth. Other ways to create your own blog and do all of this for yourself and create a online property like your own online real estate that you can build. It's not quick. It's not going to take 2 months. It's not going to take 10 days to make $1,000 a day, but you can offer these services to other people until you build up your stuff, and then you'll be able to hire other people to do the same for you so that you can make money online with ChatGPT. So I hope this video has been helpful. Some of those ways, at least just a few, that you can leverage this awesome tool and actually create value for people and really make real money with ChatGPT. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.